Hi everyone. So this morning I got this update One UI 2.5 on my Galaxy S20. So let's see what we have changes. I haven't installed it yet, so I'll install it later. So it's coming with the patch of 1 August, and let's see what do we have. We're getting the wireless DeX like Samsung Note 20, and we can get that DeX in quick panel. We have some improvement in Wi-Fi, so you'll be able to see that Wi-Fi speed very fast, normal and slow. We have bit emoji on always on display. We have some changes in Samsung keyboard. We'll see that, but I usually use Swift keyboard. In camera, we have a lot of option in Pro Video, like we can select which mic do you want to record in, and we have some features in messages and the stability. So let's install and see what we get. So the phone is updated. Took some time. Let me just lower down the brightness a bit. So let's see what do we have. So as you can see, the last update has been updated, and if we go in about software version, you will see we are on One UI 2.5. So let's test what we have here. Let's see if we have DeX. So as you can see, there's a DeX mode here. Let me just check wirelessly if I am able to connect to my TV. So I've turned on the Miracast on my TV. Let me just open if you can see my phone. You can see DeX here, so I'm clicking on it. So it's already connected to my TV. It's going to connect to my TV, as you can see. And the DeX is connected. It just give me a warning that my TV is not compatible, but it's still running and I can use my phone as touchpad. So if I just do this, if you can just see on my TV, you can see the cursor moving, and I can open it. Does work fine. So if you want to see my last update, let me also open one app and test. It just takes some time sometimes, but once it's connected, it works really good. So let me just open a YouTube. Let me give you a sneak peek of my upcoming video. So it's coming soon.
Wins here. But if you charge your phone overnight, I don't think it matters to you. Now let's talk about performance, and this is the main area where you should decide that which phone you can buy.
It works
fine. I want
fine.
to come out and say,
and the sound is also transferred. If you can see, you can just use a video like this, and you can just zoom in, and you can see the YouTube video on the full screen. Let me see if I can just increase so it can go up to full HD, as my device is on full HD and 120 Hz.
And 31 is slow, and I see stutters here and there. Exynos 9611 is an old chipset.
It is working pretty fine, and I really like this feature. I think this is one of the best features you can get in this One UI 2.1. And you can open multiple apps. You can see the gallery. I took a screenshot for this update. It's a really great feature, guys. Let me disconnect it and we can see another features. As you can see, the motion smoothness is high and standard rather than saying 60 Hz and 120 Hz. I don't know whether it's still adaptive or not, but we'll see. I think it's just 120 Hz and 60 Hz. So that's what we have. I'll give you the battery information after using it for a while. Let's see other things. So let's check camera now. So as you can see in Pro Media, you can see the speakers. You can select which speaker do you want to record from. Omnis from front and rear. Front is just for front, and then there's rear, and you can also select the USB and Bluetooth. And let's also check the video recording size. So in Pro Video now you can record 21:9 as well in 8K, 424, and just normal in almost every setting. Now it's going to give you that cinema look, so I'll add a sample as well. So now I'm recording video in 21:9 ratio. Let's see if there is any issue with the quality. I'm putting every other setting on auto. Also, I forgot to mention, you can also check this little option up there, so see on which setting you are recording. So these are the thing in Pro Video. Let's check what else do we have. Let's check the Wi-Fi as well. What do we have in Wi-Fi? So how it's going to tell us what sort of speed do we have. I think the quality info does not work here. I'm not seeing anything. So as you can see, it's just showing normal. That update for fast and very high is not working for India. Maybe it's just limited to Google. Let's see what else do we have. Let's check the edge panel. Now you have an option here and you can add multiple things. So let me just add multiple apps. Now you can add a lot of apps. You can add almost 22 apps, so you can see. So there are a lot of apps. If you want, you can do that. Let me just. So you can customize a lot of apps here. So this is the update about One UI 2.5. I was really excited about wireless desk, and we have a lot of other things. I'm not able to see a lot of things like request password and the Wi-Fi thing which is shown here. Maybe it'll be enabled later. And I also really like the camera Pro Video feature about recording from a Bluetooth device or changing the speaker. And I also like the 21:9 ratio. So that's it for One UI 2.5. If other features come up, I'll definitely make another video about it. My name is Rohit. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.